shot umklur sahib nahi ki jinya to yai khoi lagi to